Hello guys, welcome to one of my favorite corners in the house. This is basically like my get ready room. I don't know how you call it. It's not even a wardrobe, but it's where I get ready. So I bought a furniture at Wayfair and you guys are gonna build it with me. You have seen this on my social media. It's a rack that I bought for my clothes because we don't have space. So I bought it, but it broke. I don't know if because it was too much clothes. I put too much clothes on top of it because this thing just goes sideways. Look at this. So I put even like a kind of like a rope so it could hold, but it's not holding. So I bought this furniture at Wayfair and then we're gonna build it together. I am so excited for this. I've been wanting to do this since 2 years ago. I'm gonna elevate this corner because like in front of me I have like dirty towels, dirty blankets, and there's been like a laundry room. I think we're gonna buy a mirror. So we don't have this mirror that I have here in the closet. You guys know how are the mirrors here in the apartments in New York, but I want to elevate it. So I am so excited, you guys. Oh my god, you cannot believe how excited I am. Anyways, and I bought a rug that we're gonna put on top of another kind of carpet rug that I have here. It looks nice. So you guys are going to do this process, which I am so excited. I am so excited. But anyways, so we're going to do this together. I hope you guys will enjoy and feel this excitement. Oh, I am so excited. You see, I wash my face. I have no makeup. I have a horrible migraine. If you suffer migraines, you know what is it when it's like all the way at the top. But hopefully this will keep me calm and help me out. Just gonna put music. I am so excited. I am really excited. But anyways, so let's start with this video because it's kind of late for me and we might finish this tomorrow. I don't know. But anyways, let's do this together. We turn, you sit, I got it.
I got it.
We lift, we turn, we sit, I got it. end up the video showing to you guys the wardrobe, the furniture that we built together. So I am so sorry about that. I'm gonna show it to you right now, but just to give you a little bit of info of what happened. So it literally took me 4 days to build that wardrobe, and it's not because of the instructions, because the instructions were very clear. There was like nothing wrong about it, and it was super easy, but it took me 4 days. Can you believe that? I mean, it was the 3rd day, and I told my husband I really need to finish tomorrow, I mean the 4th day, because if not, I don't know, we have to finish it. Well, I have to finish. So I told him that he really needs to help me out with whatever it's going on, the rest of it. So yeah, it took me 4 days. I cannot believe it. But that's because, I mean, because I'm a mom, so I have a 6-year-old. So sometimes he needs my attention. I have to drop him off to school, pick him up from school. I have to cook. I mean, help him with the homework. So that was during the week. We started, I think, the weekend. And even Sunday. On Sunday, I basically built, also did the wardrobe. And as you guys saw, my daughter was helping me out. My husband was helping me out too. I mean, I didn't film that part because you guys know I don't put him in the videos. But yeah, so it was 4 days, and then we couldn't go through the hallway and then walk in the house because it was full of dirty clothes and all that stuff. So I really have to organize. We can barely pass through, go to the living room. And then one part of when I was building the wardrobe, there was a part that I made a mistake, and I said that I was gonna build this like super easy because I didn't think I told you, but my dad taught me since I was a little girl how to build stuff. When he used to build those things like furniture in the house, I used to help him out. I love to do that. But no, apparently I don't have the same ability as my dad. But that's another point. But anyways, I made a mistake. So the good thing, it was not like a big mistake that you have to like completely almost start from scratch from the beginning. But yeah, there was a small mistake, so I had to take out some part, which it was a good chunk of section from the furniture. But anyways, it's just like I just need to flip some things. So you guys know how the wardrobe came out. I am so happy, and I'll explain to you how it looks. So here is the furniture, and you guys can see I have a lot of stuff on top of this furniture. I have boxes of sneakers. I'm not gonna leave them there. I'm just gonna put it again inside the closet. I don't know where, but they're definitely not gonna stay there. I've just put a picture over here so you guys can see the whole thing, because I can't, because behind me literally the wall is there. And then I have other Shein clothes that arrive. I have H&M clothes that arrived too. That was during Christmas, so I just put everything up there because I didn't have time. I have that Gap bag that I bought some stuff. So basically those are gonna go away. I wanted to put some like baskets and then put some maybe scarves, gloves on top, but I feel like, I don't know, I don't like it. It's not gonna clean the way I want it. So as you guys can see, I have like those shelves on top here. I want to put, where I'm trying to right now, is like put exercise clothes, like tops, leggings, biker shorts, everything about like workout clothes on that corner. And then you guys can see on the right, I have like, I can hang stuff. I have like a rack, so I can hang stuff. That's what I love it, because there's a section at the right where I can hang, and a lot of stuff where I can, you know, fold, which most of my things is like folding. And here at the bottom, like there's others, like more like cubes. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, yeah, 5, and then 2, one at the top, another big one, and under that rack I can put more stuff, which I might put only shoes. That's it. I am so excited how this wardrobe turned out. I put all my savings in there. I am fully, this year I can buy my mirror. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.